So right now you'd be asking, what can you do? How could you help? No, because you might be convinced that this is simply a political persecution, no? And the moves of the Arroyo regime is unjust. So we appeal to you to make a stand on this situation. You can write letters of appeal to the president, to the agencies of the government in our country. You could write letters or send your appeal letters to Judge Tomasi Laines of the Regional Trial Court Branch 40 of the Mindoro Oriental, and we would be needing your three T's, no? Three T's. We would be needing your time, your talent, and your treasure, no? If you have some talents, then you can share that with us, and if you have some time to spare with us, do so. If you have some treasures, or if you have some money to help us in this, because this battle would be really costly, no? It's gonna be costly for us, and we'll be needing some amount. With just photocopying of the documents, we would be needing money for that and other needs for this legal battle. But right now, I'm happy that you gave your time to me for listening listening to my situation, no? And I hope you enjoyed listening, and you enjoyed watching origami and balloon sculpting. I wish I could meet you personally, or if I cannot meet you personally, you might visit me in the provincial jail should the BNB be successful in arresting me and detaining me. Thank you very much.